One, the only Danny. And on my left, weighing in at a very impressive 200 kilos, Donald Trump. It's the hair, honestly the hair. Right, gentlemen, let's box. Seconds away from one. And Zippos down. No, you can't hit him when he's down. Careful, for goodness sake. Watch out, he's behind you. Stay there, Danny, he's coming round. Here he comes, the one, a two, and a three. Whoa, and a big right hand. Now it's seconds away, round two. Showing off there. What's Zito coming back with? This looks big, it's going to be massive. Here it comes, Oh, a big right hand, and Danny's feeling that wobbling all over the place. What's he got to come back with? Let's go. Oh, the gloves are off. The gloves are off. There we go, that's it. Put your gloves on, and then we can carry on boxing. Wonderful stuff. What's that over there? Not in the rules.